guys, I think my house video will be live now. So I'm in the market for a lot of cleaning products. So I have this Cherryz haul here. So if you're interested to see what I've picked up, then stay tuned. It's Becky and welcome to my channel. Hello if you're new there. I tend to do a lot of plus size fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, then hit that big red subscribe button down below. And hello to all my lovely regulars. Thank you so much for joining me today in a very different location. It's incredibly echoey, so really sorry if that's annoying, but you're just gonna have to live with it. And yeah, today we've got a huge Cherryz haul. Big thank you to Cherryz for sending me this 15-kilogram box. It's so heavy, that's why I'm out of breath. Bringing it in from the car. It is the heaviest Cherryz order I've ever got. And it's full of cleaning supplies. So I also have a discount code for any of you guys that would like to try Cherryz for the first time. It's a great opportunity for you to save even more money on your favorites. If you're doing a little spring cleaning, or you just need a bit of top up on your household goodies, Cherryz are really great online shop. It's a bit like B&M, Home Bargains. All the prices are really incredible and there's so much selection from your cleaning products to homewares to food, and it's got all your really good brands. You know, you've got Dove on there, you've got Minky's, you've got all sorts. So I've got a lot to go through, so let's get cracking on. First up, these are the lids to, I'm guessing, the boxes that are inside of the cardboard box. So we'll get to them soon. I also picked up some Wham essential baking trays. How useful, really nice size as well. I just thought they would be very useful in my new kitchen. Very excited for them. Then I got the Minky Bundle. I hear that Minky is amazing. So they have some of these bundle offers where if you buy them, you save a little bit of money already on the really good prices. So anything Minky, I think, was in the bundle. First off, general purpose.
We need a lot of general purpose.
This whole house is general purpose right now for outstanding cleaning performance. Brilliant. We've got some grill and pan. So if you didn't watch my house video, I'm actually getting my kitchen completely ripped out. So I'm not going to be touching the grill and pan for now, but when I do have my new kitchen, I want to keep it really nice. So that'll be really great for then. Then I got Minky extra large free cleaning cloth antibacterial. And I can imagine there's a lot of bacteria in this house. So very grateful for these. And of course, we got a Minky Cloth. These are the things that they all go crazy for. And this is for the bathroom.
We've got those at home.
You got a bathroom Minky?
You probably haven't seen it.
So also the bathroom Minky. So I think that's everything in the Minky Bundle. I feel like that's a whole house worth of Minky goodness. Yeah. Then I've got so many different products. The pink stuff. Oh. Miracle multi-purpose cleanser, streak-free, sparkling clean, tough on grease and grime, and it's vegan, and it's pink. Vegan and pink. It's for everything. You spray.
I've never seen the spray. I've used the paste.
Well, speaking of the paste, I did get.
Oh gosh, an extra large one.
This is the Oxy Powder.
Oh, that's for
laundry,
putting it in your
stain removal.
Oh, right.
Just because I thought it'd be good to get some household staples, because I'm obviously going to be living here soon. So, and it's huge. This is a kilo of Oxy Powder, and it's pink. Then more pink stuff. This is Disinfectant Cleaner, and this kills all your bacteria. So I think I have the whole pink stuff range. I'm sure I don't. I'm sure there's loads of pink stuff out there that we've not tried yet, but I think that's all the pink stuff I got, but all sounds very good. Then I got some Zaflora.
Oh, I like Zaflora.
Yeah, same. I prefer Zaflora to the other one beginning with F, Flavosia or something. This is basically the Zaflora concentrate already mixed up for you, I'm pretty sure. And this is in lemon zing, so I thought that'd be nice for the kitchen or for bathrooms. Again, cuts through grease and grime. I think it's a bit similar to the pink stuff.
Let me have a sniff.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, I'm going to sniff first.
Oh, very nice, very fresh. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the brand Fabulosa. So I did pick up some from Fabulosa because I know everyone really loves them. I do just prefer Zaflora scents. But this is Fresh Apple Zing Spotless Kitchen. I think I might have bought the same product 3 times, but in different packaging and brands. Yeah, see, you smell that one and tell me which one you prefer.
Okay. I think I prefer the other one.
It doesn't...
That's quite sweet.
The Zaflora sounds a bit more real. The Fabulosa one smells a bit artificial. Nothing, it's a cleaning product at the end of the day. Oh my gosh, one thing that's not cleaning.
Bar of chocolate?
No, I didn't buy any food this time because sometimes I'll go a bit crazy with the snacks. So, these are glass straws for my bar cart. I just thought they looked so fancy. Glass drinking straws are normally really expensive. You get 4, you get 2 bent and 2 straight, and it comes with a little cleaning thing. Yeah. These are a really great price, and these always sell out on Cherryz. I've tried to get these on 2 separate orders now, and I didn't get them, so got them this time. Very happy. More beautiful. This is the, is you say Sif or Jif?
I would say Sif. It used to be called Jif, I think, but anyway,
but
they changed the brand.
We are a hard water area, so this is for lime scale. How good was I getting that? Very knowledgeable. So yeah, we get lime scale quite hardcore, like on especially like shower heads and kettles. So I thought this would be a really great product to have for the future when I get the build up.
So what is that for then? Is that for around taps?
Lime Scale Specialist Spray is scientifically designed to remove 100% of the toughest lime scale stains from your shower, tap, sink and tiles.
Yeah, that's good.
Then, I got some floor cleaner from Astonish in Zesty Lemon. I was thinking of getting one of those flash mops, but to be honest, the area of space that I would need to floor clean, because most of it's carpet, it's just the kitchen and the bathroom and downstairs loo, and they're quite small, so I didn't think I needed a whole flash mop.
It's lemon.
It's lemon. You don't need to smell that one, Mum.
No.
And then we've got, I think a bit of the floor cleaner has leaked out, a tiny bit, but I got some toilet blocks. One for each loo, and I got that in the Ocean Spray scent. Dish-O-Matics. I love these. Mum's not keen, but that's okay because I really like them. They're basically a sponge that you put washing up liquid in the bottom. I'm not going to have a dishwasher in this house because there's just not enough room to put one in. So I'm going to be hand washing all my dishes. And these are my favourite things, and it's a 6-pack of refills, which is great. Love that. I got a huge washing up liquid. You can never have enough. I do find Fairy is the best. It just cuts through the grease like no other. So that'll be really good to put in all my Dish-O-Matics, etc, etc. And it's a huge one. This is 900ml. And it's in the original platinum quick wash setting.
Have you got the attachment that goes with the Dish-O-Matics?
No, because it's sold out.
Oh, right. You can have mine.
You threw it away, didn't you?
No.
Oh.
I just threw away the pads.
Oh, we have got a bit of leakage.
Oh, no. Oh, yes, that's that.
Definitely the floor cleaner. But I got a 50-pack of Persil colour capsules. This is the mega refill pack. Nothing more to say, but I'm a capsule girl. I like to use capsules. I also just got this Small Comfort Intense. This has got 36 washes in it though, so that's a lot of washes in Fresh Sky. I think my favourite one is they do a coconut one. But Fresh Sky's always, I think the yellow one's my favourite though. Just so you know, Mum. Then I also got this Astonish Hob Cleaner. This is in Zesty Lemon again. I do think lemon's nice in the kitchen. Antibacterial, removes burnt on food and watermarks. And then I also got microwave and fridge freezer wipes. But to be honest, I think I'm just going to use these kind of everywhere. These have got 40% extra free. So that's 70 large wipes. I don't like to use wipes all the time, but sometimes they are just convenient. Especially when you've got this much to clean. So they'll just be super useful for now. Oh my God. These are the little boxes that I got to go with those lids. You can see the floor cleaner that has leaks, so I'll just give them a quick wipe down. But I'm glad it's leaked into the plastic box rather than the cardboard box. So that worked out quite well. Just thought these would be really great for storage, especially all of these like cloths and wipes and stuff. So that's what I'll be using these for, to store all my cleaning products in. I got a double pack of bleach, one for each toilet, again in the citrus scent. I'm a big fan of citrusy cleaning products. More cleaning products. This is Elbow Grease Glass Cleaner. I think that's the first glass cleaner we've got so far. That's got vinegar in it, good for windows, mirrors and glass.
They all have vinegar in them.
Well,
in fact, you can supposedly clean your windows with vinegar. But
I've got another Minky.
Oh, Minky, another one.
This is high-tech duster, so this will be for when I get my TV out. So I'll save that for all my high-tech, high-density microfiber, very soft. And does anyone know how these fabrics become antibacterial? Like, how does that I just don't believe it. I don't understand. If anyone can let me know how that works. And how long does it stay antibacterial for? You know what I mean?
Yes, it's...
Is it a gimmick? And then we've got a Febreze. Because if you didn't know, I said it in my house tour video, go watch it. But we did have a smoker in this house, and it was 12 years of smoking with, I don't think the window's open. So this house, while some of the smell has gone, it's not completely gone. So just want to Febreze the hell out of this house. And then I think this is the final thing, and it's a mega pack of sponges. Just really useful to have for your everyday cleaning, especially like your bathrooms and stuff. And I like to change the sponges quite often, because you know you're cleaning stuff with it. They're gonna get pretty gross pretty quickly. And this was such a good price, and there's 20 of them in there. That was a lot of cleaning products. Let me know your favourite cleaning products down below, because being honest, I am not like housekeeper of the year award winner. So let me know your faves down below. I'm sure I've got some hinchers in my audience that could let me know your tips. But if you didn't know about Cherryz, it's a really great place to pick up all of these big name brands for really great prices. It all comes delivered straight to your door. And it's super easy to use, and you just need to download the app. And I do have a discount code that you can get money off your first shop if it's your first time using the app. So a great opportunity to save even more money on your favourite products. So guys, if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!